So now I'm taking you guys to the other side of the place where there's a river there. Yeah, people are doing fishing. People are doing fishing. Yeah, so the main idea is this. Um, Sometimes you think in life what you are coming across, it's difficult to tackle and to challenge. But you'll be surprised the moment you take a walk and go to nature, you start to see life with another view, and that view is fulfilling. That view, it gives you, it removes the pressure that you are having right now as I'm speaking to you. So wherever you are in the part of the world, just listen to me today and say, let me just take a walk and go and see nature. So let's continue. Yeah, continue with me. Walk with me. Let's take a walk. Yeah, now I'm taking you to the part of where there's a river, there's water. Yeah. There's water here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel so that I will be able to give you more. Yeah, there's a lot of videos I'm going to give you. Alright, just come with me. So this is a dam here. You see there's nature. There's water here. Look at that. This is fulfilling. And look at that. It's so quiet. There's a river here. Wow.